Hi, I am Nagarjuna KG, lecturer in physics. Today, I am going to give some tips that can make you best at physics problems. Most of the students were facing to get the correct answers in physics problems. In particular, in a certain objective exams like JEE, NEET or any other objective based examinations. But here some important tips are there to get the answers easily in physics. The first one is, do not get scared or panic. When you come across a tough problem, do not panic, do not scare, because just it is a problem. But every problem has a solution. You try to find it out. When you are prepared thoroughly the concepts behind that numerical questions, easily you can get the solution. Second point is, read the problem carefully. The most common issue with the students is that they do not read the question carefully and mark the answer in hurry. No need to hurry to mark the answer. First, you read the question, try to understand the question and what concept is involved, what formula we should use to get the answer. You think a little about the question. Most of the students without reading the question, so simply they think physics, this problem is a difficulty problem. No, you read the question, try to understand the question and you can think about the formulae or concept, principle involved in that question, so that reading the question is very important in physics. Next point, organize the information. List out all the information as stated in the problem and look for the unknowns. After you read the question, organize the information is nothing but, first you think which concepts, which data is given, what quantities are given in the question and what are the unknown quantities, what we need to estimate, and you think once, is there any formula between the known quantities and unknown quantities, are the given quantities and what we are going to determine. If you able to think like this, you may get the solution or you may get the correct formula if you have a proper preparation. Fourth point, visualize and sketch the scene. Always try to draw a rough schematic diagram according to the situation. That is, after you read the question, suppose if you had any difficulties, still if you feel this question is difficulty, this question is a tough one, you read again and again and try to understand the situation, or better you try to draw a rough diagram based on the situation what is given in the question. Always, so when you draw the rough diagram, that question is turned into now a presentation. So you may easily get the idea about that question what is given there. Fifth point, make the units uniform throughout. You must maintain the same units throughout. In the question, different quantities will be given in the question. All that quantities you must maintain the units of that quantities in any single system throughout the question. Otherwise, what the formula, even though if you use a correct formula to get the answer, and if you are not maintaining the units uniformly, you may not get the correct answer. Sixth point, consider your formulae and solve your problems. One of the most important tools to solve physics problems is the formulas. Without knowing the formula, it is very difficult to get the answer. So you think once, read the question carefully, think about the situation, and you try to remember the formula related to that particular situation. If you will get the formula, easily you can get the solution. Seventh point, practice more to master physics. After a routine practice, do some exam oriented questions. Try to solve as many as numerical based questions in physics, whatever the topic. Whatever the topic you feel easy, you try to maximum number of questions. Practice is most important. If you have a lot of practice, automatically you will get the correct answers for your physics problems. Nothing is easy until you face it and find a solution out of it.